Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. Draw the flower like this. Here I am drawing one line. Here I am drawing leaf shape. I am drawing one more leaf. Another flower. Here I am drawing one more flower. And I can repeat same flower. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the line like this. Here I am drawing round shape and one more flower, and same repeat one more flower. Leaf shape again. Draw the lines like this. Draw the dots like this. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this flower with yellow color brush pen. This is pink color sketch pen. I am using pink color sketch pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. Repeat here also. This is light blue color brush pen. Fill this flower with light blue color brush pen. Repeat here also. Now I am using green color highlighter. Fill this leaf shape with green color highlighter. If you can use green color sketch pen or brush pen or anything. This is green color sketch pen. I am shading with green color sketch pen. Shade like this. Now I am using scale and black color sketch pen for these lines. Draw the 3 lines like this. Repeat here also. Here I am drawing round shape. Draw the round shape like this. This is yellow color brush pen. This is pink color sketch pen. Now I am using black color marker pen. Put a round with black color marker pen. Draw like this. Here I am drawing wave shape. This is yellow color brush pen. Now I am using pink color brush pen. This design. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this flower. Draw the petals like this. Same flower repeat here. Here I am drawing big size of this flower. I am drawing leaf shape. Same repeat here. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens or anything? Comment on comment section. Same repeat here. Now I am using black color pencil. I am shading color black color pencil. Shade like this. Same repeat here. Do like this. This is light blue color brush pen. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Here I am using red color sketch pen. Fill this flower with red color sketch pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. I am using red color. This is green color brush pen. Draw the outline with green color brush pen. This is leaf green color. This is green color pencil. Fill this middle space with green color pencil. Fill like this. I am drawing one more flower. Flower outline is completed. Draw the leaves like this. Same repeat here. Follow my Instagram, link given in the description box. Now I am using black color pencil. Shade like this. Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. This is yellow color brush pen. Now I am using green color pencil. Same color repeat here. Draw the design like this. Here I am drawing frame. Same design repeat here. Draw like this. Draw this shape. Same repeat here. Now I am using red color sketch pen. Fill this with red color sketch pen. This is light blue color pencil. I am shading with light blue color pencil.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking,
Same
sharing,
color
commenting,
repeat here.
and subscribing.